Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss another biology topic, structure of ovum or structure of female gamete. First of all, I draw a figure of ovum or female gamete. Students, formation of ovum or formation of female gamete in oogenesis process. This is egg membrane or ovum membrane. This is extra embryonic membrane. It means primary egg membrane. Primary egg membrane of human female ovum is zona pellucida. This is zona pellucida. It is transparent or acellular layer. Next, secondary egg membrane is corona radiata. Corona radiata is a cellular layer and forms a specific follicle cell. This is corona radiata. It is second egg membrane. Inside fluid is called ooplasm. Polar body, it is a haploid structure. Haploid nucleus and nucleus to have genetic matter or DNA or chromatin. This is a figure of human ovum. Human ovum. Once again, today's topic is structure of ovum or female gamete. Remember, students, human's ovum is round shape structures and microscopic. To have a membrane like structures, this membrane like structures is located on egg, so it is called egg membrane. Second, human ovum or female gamete to have two egg membrane. First is primary egg membrane. Primary egg membrane is zona pellucida, and secondary egg membrane is corona radiata. It is acellular or transparent layer. It is cellular layer. Inside fluid is ooplasm. Nucleus is haploid. It means to have a set of haploid chromosome. Next, this is sperm. First, some specific point related to structure of ovum. First, shape of human ovum is mostly round shape. First. Second, size of human ovum is 100 to 115 micrometer. Second. Third, nucleus is haploid. First, It means chromosome is 23. Second, shape and size of nucleus is large, so it is called germinal vesicle. Means nucleus shape or size is large. Second, membrane. Human ovum have two egg membrane. First is zona pellucida. Second is corona radiata. It is primary egg membrane. Second, it is acellular or transparent layer. Acellular and transparent layer, but dissolve by acrosine enzyme during fertilization. Second is corona radiata. It is secondary egg membrane. First, second, it is cellular layer. Third, cell name is follicle cell. Follicle cell are proper binded by hyaluronic acid. Once again, corona radiata, it is a secondary egg membrane. It is cellular layer. Cell name is follicle cell. It means follicle cells to forms a specific secondary egg membrane, corona radiata. Next, follicle cell proper binded by a specific acid is hyaluronic acid. During fertilization, corona radiata dissolved by hyaluronidase. Next, during fertilization, corona radiata dissolved by hyaluronidase enzyme. Second, location, zona pellucida is located outside egg membrane. Corona radiata, it is located outside zona pellucida. Once again, location of zona pellucida is outside egg membrane. Corona radiata is located outside zona pellucida. Second, membrane. Third is egg. Human oblique mammalian egg is alacethyl. It means absent, lacethyl it means yolk, and isolacethyl it is amount of yolk, it is distribution of yolk, distribution of yolk. Once again, human or mammalian egg is alacethyl. A it means absent, lacethyl it means yolk, iso it means equal, lacethyl it means yolk, it means yolk distributed in whole egg. This type is on the basis of amount of yolk, this type is on the basis of distribution of yolk. Next, types of egg. First is on the basis of amount of yolk. Egg. First is alacethyl. A it means absent, lacethyl it means yolk. For example, human or mammals. So human egg is alacethyl on the types of amount of yolk. Second is microlacethyl. It means in micro amount, lacethyl it means yolk. For example, urochordate. Uro it means tail, it means string bearing organism. Next, cephalochordate. Cephalo it means head, chordate it means notochord or string bearing animals. Third is mesolacetal. It means yolk, it means middle amount. For example, class amphibia. Last is macro oblique mega oblique polylacethyl. For example, class Aves, class Reptilia and Prototherian mammal. For example, duckbill platypus, echidna. Once again, types of egg on the basis of amount of yolk. First, alacethyl. Human egg is alacethyl, amount of yolk. Second, microlacethyl. For example, urochordate, cephalochordate. Third is mesolacetal. For example, class amphibia. Fourth is macro, mega or polylacethyl, class reptilia, class aves and prototherians mammal. Next is types of egg on the basis of distribution of yolk. First is isolacethyl. Iso it means equal, it means yolk. For example, human egg, pole, this is pole. This pole is called animal pole. This pole is called vegetal pole. It means human egg or ovum to have two pole. First is animal pole, second is vegetal pole. Nearby animal pole located nucleus, nearby vegetal pole is less amount yolk. But human's ovum yolk distribute in whole egg. Once again, human egg or in human egg yolk distribute in whole egg. So human egg is isoleucithal on the basis of distribution of yolk. So human egg is aleucithal, amount of yolk. Second, isoleucithal on the basis of distribution of yolk. Iso it means equal, leucithal it means yolk. So human's egg is aleucithal and isoleucithal. Second, difference. Next topic, next point, difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Students, remember, it means sperm, it means two formation, it means formation of sperm. It means ovum, it means two formation, it means formation of ovum. First is spermatogenesis, second is oogenesis. First difference is spermatogenesis completed in male human testis. It is primary or main reproductive organs, but structure function unit of testis is seminiferous tubules. Second, oogenesis, it is completed in female human ovary. Primary or main reproductive organ in female human is ovary. Numbers in male human testis is 2, ovary numbers is 2. Second, it initiates during puberty, but oogenesis, it initiates in embryonic stage. Next, spermatogenesis completed 2 phases. First is formation of spermatid, second spermiogenesis or spermatilliosis. Formation of spermatid completed other 3 phases. First is multiplication, second is growth phase. Growth phase is short compared to oogenesis, but in oogenesis growth phase is long because it completed 2 other subphases. Perivitellogenesis, it means before, it means leucithal, it means formation. Second is vitellogenesis. Vitello, it means yolk, it means 2 formation. It means in this phase synthesis of yolk, but this phase is completed before synthesis of yolk. Next difference is first and second maturation division. It means meiosis first and second completed in testis, but in oogenesis first maturation division completed in ovary, but second maturation division or meiosis second maturation division completed in oviduct. It is a accessory reproductive organ in female humans, other name fallopian tube. So next difference is first and second maturation division. It means meiosis first and second completed in testis, but in oogenesis first maturation division. It means meiosis first completed in ovary, but second maturation division. It means meiosis second completed in oviduct or fallopian tube. Students, remember, meiosis first and second completed in maturation phase. Maturation is a phase of spermatogenesis and oogenesis, or both spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Next, first spermatogenesis, second oogenesis. Next difference is metamorphosis. It means spermiogenesis or spermatogenesis is present, but in oogenesis metamorphosis absent. Second, synthesis of yolk is absent, but in oogenesis yolk present. Synthesis in vitellogenesis subphase. It is a phase of growth phase. Synthesis of yolk is vitellogenesis. It means yolk, it means two formation. Second, polar body. It is a haploid structures. Second, forms in maturation age. Sage, polar body absent. Polar body present. Once again, polar body, it is a haploid structure, but forms in maturation phase of oogenesis, but shape is round and microscopic. Next, in spermatogenesis participate all PGC, so formed million sperms, but single PGC to formed for sperm. Once again, in spermatogenesis participate all PGC. It means primordial germ cell. Primordial germ cell is a specific diploid cells. They are located in reproductive organs like testes and ovary. Once again, all PGC so forms million sperms or million of sperm. But in one times humans release 200 or 300 million sperms, but single PGC2 forms 4 sperm. Next, in oogenesis participate a single PGC. If several PGC participate, so formed many or several ovum. Second, single PGC formed single ovum or egg or female gamete. Next, male gamete or sperm is spoon shape or motile, but female gamete or ovum or egg is round shape and non-motile. Next, meiosis first and second. It means first and second maturation division are equal, so formed equal shape and size secondary spermatocyte. Next, in oogenesis meiosis first and second. It means first and second maturation division are unequal, so formed cells are unequal in shape and size. Students, there are difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. First is completed in male human in ovary. Second in initiated in specific age, initiate in embryonic stage. Third is growth phase short. First and second maturation completed in testis, but first in oogenesis. First completed in ovary, second in oviduct. Second metamorphosis present in spermatogenesis, absent in oogenesis. Next, synthesis of yolk or yolk absent in spermatogenesis, present in oogenesis. Next, polar body absent but present in oogenesis. Next, spermatogenesis participate all PGC and single PGC2 forms 4 sperm. Single PGC participate and single PGC forms single ovums and 3 polar body, mostly 3 polar body, but sometimes single polar body. Meiosis first and second, it means first and second maturation division are equal, but in oogenesis first and second maturation division or meiosis first and second are unequal, so formed cells are unequal shape and size. So next day topic is fertilization. Next topic, next chapter. Thanks students.